All right, everybody. Welcome to another episode, Smoking Swamp Outdoors. This video is going to be on how to trim a tomato plant. So we got our tomato plant here. We're going to go around and just look for all the dead and snip it flush. If you can pull it off, that's even better. We got here, snip. That guy's dead all the way down, so cut it as low as possible. Towards the end of the season here. Let's go around the whole plant. If you end up cutting a whole bunch off, it's alright. It ain't gonna hurt it none. Spin the plant around to the other side. A lot of stuff you can probably pull off. That's what I'm able to do here. But you might get one every once in a while that don't want to pull off so easy. Just like that, folks. Coming here, pull any kind of little weeds out. And there we have it. We've got all the dead off of it. We'll come out here in a couple of days when we're watering and stuff and see how it's going. This is a beautiful plant. Hope this video was informative. Hit that thumbs up, drop a comment, and subscribe. God bless.